Hi friends, good morning and welcome to this new video of phrase and clause. We'll talk about some grammar concepts today. Phrase and clauses are the parts of sentences and they play a very important role while reading a sentence or while writing a sentence. So one should have a clear knowledge about phrase and clause. So in this video I will teach you how to use these phrase and clauses in sentence and what are the basic differences between phrase and clause. So let's begin. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which make sense but does not make complete sense, and it has no objects and subjects. So phrase is a certain group of words which make some sense, which make some meaning but does not make complete meanings, and they don't have their own subject and object. So they are called phrase. For example, the boy, a school, these chairs, in the afternoon, at the station. So these are the small phrases which shows some meaning but they don't show complete meaning. That's why they are called phrase. So phrase is a certain group of words which shows some meaning but does not show complete meaning. We have to add subject to it to make it a meaningful sentence. Like the travelers arrive at the hotel. The travelers arrive at the hotel. So here the travelers phrase at the hotel is a phrase and they arrive is a verb. So the travelers arrive at the hotel. So these collection of phrases makes a complete sentence. So the travelers arrive at the hotel. So this is the basic concept of phrase. Phrase is a group of words which make sense but does not make complete sense. So in this sentence we have used two phrases with a verb that makes a complete sentence. So you need a subject and object to complete a meaningful sentence. We cannot make a full sentence with only phrases. So this is called phrase. Now let's move to clause. Clause is a group of words which has its own subject and object, but it needs some other part of the sentence to finish its meaning. So a group of words which has a subject and object is known as clause. It is also a part of larger sentence. So clause is a part of larger sentence. It has own subject and object. Now look at this sentence. Mom usually cooks dinner. So this is subject, this is verb. So here like we have got usually cooks dinner, like we reached home before it started to rain. So here you can see before it started to rain is a subordinate clause. So this is how we can use a clause like it started to rain or before it started to rain is itself a complete sentence. It has own subject and object. So what is clause? Clause is a group of words which has got its own subject and object, and it is a part of larger sentence. So what is the basic difference between phrase and clause? Phrase is a group of words which make some sense but does not make complete sense, and it needs subject and object to finish its sense, whereas clause is a group of words which has got its own subject and object and it is a part of larger sentence. But if you separate it, then also it creates some meaning. So this is a basic difference between phrase and clause. Let's revise it once more, then we'll off the video. So phrase, what is phrase? Like let's say the sentence in the sky, or the night was dark and the way was long. So here way was long is a phrase, right? The dark is a phrase, but the night was dark and the way was long is a complete sentence. So in the same way I have written more examples over here, like the boy, a school, at the station and all. But clause, what is clause? Clause has its own subject and object, and it does not need any other sentence to finish its meaning. It is itself a complete group of words. Like we reached home before it started to rain. So before it started to rain is a clause. This is the basic difference between clause and phrase. Phrase does not have subject and object, whereas clause has got its own subject and object, and it is a part of larger sentence. So I hope friends you have understood the basic difference of phrase and clause. Do subscribe Easy English Jabalpur channel to get latest information or updates on your screen, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest videos on your screen. And if you have any doubt, kindly write down on comment section. I'll talk to you there, and share this video with friends, families and loved ones. Thanks for watching this video friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much.